गणेशाय धीमहि ॐ हनुमते नमः।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Aditya 11 Triple T. Today here we have a case of TPMS338.PC821. This is a smart TV motherboard. Okay, now what we are going to do is this is an Emmc chip which we are going to read using SVOD 3 programmer over here. Okay, before going to the programming part, I would like to say you what connections you have to make. First you have to connect the CLK, that is clock, CMD, that is command, GND, that is ground, and D0 is data. Now when you enter the interface of SVOD3, okay, now you have to enter to SVOD3 interface first. Okay, now here you have to select the mode of the programmer over here, and you have to go and select the Emmc option over here. After you select, you get the options over here, that is clock, CMD, ground, and data 0. That you have to connect from below part, okay, of the programmer as it is shown in the picture over here. Okay, now here we have already connected the points. You can see here we have connected the points near to the IC via jumpers over here. You can see the jumpers are there. With the help of the jumpers on the resistance, these are the points. I'll tell you the points, and you have to connect this crystal to the ground. Okay, after connecting all these things, finally you have to select the Emmc mode over here. Then you have to plug the adapter. You have to connect the adapter over here to the board, and then you have to just go to the option, that is read ID. You have to go to the option read ID and press on the read ID. As soon as you press on the read ID, you will see it starts detecting the IC, and this IC has been detected over here. After that, you have to check ID of the IC has been detected. You will find something written over here, that means it has been detected. Now what you have to do, you have to just press on the read button over here, and you have to set the config to 10.5 megahertz over here. Okay, after that you have to press on the read button, and it will start reading the IC, and it will take somewhere near to around you can say 1 hour. So here it is asking by what name you want to save the file. So I am just putting here 123 over here, sorry 125 over here, and just pressing on the save button, and you can see the process has been started. You can see here it is saying 6 megabyte 0%, and the process has been started.